Hi, my name is Jordi and this is my Shaders project from CAP 502. This is a project that combines vertex manipulation in waves and height maps, shadow maps with multiple shadows, a directional light and a point light, and a bloom effect based on a down and up sampled Gaussian blur. First thing first, the point light itself emits two lights, an omni light and a directional light. The first doesn't cast any shadows, the second one is a point light which contributes to the shadow map. This is made on purpose so that it seems that the fairy is patrolling the surroundings. This is done by doing two different calculations but using the same light. This process is done in three different shaders now, but the way to do it is mostly the same in everyone. The first calculation is taking into consideration the position and the range alongside the wall position, normal and diffuse factor. The second calculation is taking the same but with the direction in mind as well. Then in order to make one light dimmer, I just multiply the final result by the amount of brightness I want to have. The flag movement is done in a wave shader. The vertex shader uses a sine function to simulate a waving flag, with deformation increasing away from the pole and dynamically recalculated normals for realistic lighting. The flag's values can be changed to the user's liking. Frequency, amplitude, and speed can be fiddled with in the MGUI. The shadows casted to the height map will be changed dynamically, as the depth map is being calculated in real time and the render used for the depth read is using the same values as the real flag. We can also change the position and direction of the directional light in order to point directly into the mountain and see how the shadows change and react. When it comes to the bloom, we can change how big we make the texels with the blur factor. We can also change the threshold factor, which lets us decide which objects are considered for this effect and which are not. Finally, we can change the brightness of the bloom effect so that we make it closer to white or go negative and have a negative bloom color.